Me and Tracy are off to Hamilton Island today. It's early in the morning, so we're drinking coffee, not wine. Tracy's playing on her iPhone. You looking forward to Hamilton Island, Tracy? Yeah, she's looking forward to it. And Wayne and Ange already stopped the boat up full of grog for us to drink. So it's going to be a very, very, very messy weekend. Here we are, down Hamilton Island. Tracy's walked ahead. You know, what can you say? There's the marina. Tracy, I don't think this is where we're going to go. There's Tracy. There's Hamilton Island. Down at the marina, about to head out. From a bad spot. Going right to the jetty. G'day, mate. And heading down here to Blade Runner. Out here on the jetty somewhere. About to get on Black Betty and go for a cruise.
Beautiful.
Tomorrow I'm going to dance with these guys.
No, we're...
Pretty fast. We're going to sail around these islands tomorrow. Got no idea where we're going. Probably won't make it.
Whitehaven.
Whitehaven? Yeah, we're going to Whitehaven tomorrow. A lot of people haven't made it. We're hoping to. There's probably a good chance we won't. So cheers. And if it's the last time you see me, you know why. Oh yeah, there seems to be a sunset here. Some people down there in Vaudouin. But we're enjoying ourselves here at Cheers, Hamilton Island. Here we are on some beach. We don't know if we're going to make it back or not. We don't know where we are. Could be a while. This is Tracy out the back of the boat, trying to catch fish. How many fish you caught, love?
One.
She caught one, let it go.
Yeah.
So, what we've learnt from Tracy is she's not a very good fishing girl. Hey, love? No. Tracy thinks the fish are smart because she can't catch it. The truth is, the fish ain't smart. Tracy's just... What are you, love? Not a very good fishing girl, are you? Nope. Today we're out here once again. It's a bit rocky. Just got to keep the balance as we look around this beautiful shoreline. We're trying to find a good place to fish, a good place to snorkel, because we're hungry and we've got nothing to eat.
Return. 2.5 hours. What? Yep.
Okay, let's go for the bush.
I don't think it'll be that long, surely.
How far? 4.6, 46k. We've got to walk through the bush, the jungle of death. No one knows
Run.
if we can ever get through here or not.
Quicker.
There's probably a good chance we'll probably die. We've had to turn around. The ladies behind me decided that it was too dangerous. We've seen probably 3-4 snakes, seen a crocodile. You don't very rarely see a crocodile in the bush, but anyway, today we did. So they've decided we need to head back. So here we are. There's not really a path. Just making my way. They said that we know a shortcut. I'm not sure if they know about the shortcut. They don't know what they are. They're in the bush somewhere back there. Anyway, I'll head back. If you don't hear from me again, you know that I'm lost at crossing from Turtle Bay to a Whitehaven beach in the Whitsunday Island group in Queensland, Australia. And maybe if you're up this way and you see my body somewhere here in the bush, just put a little cross there to at least mark where I've been. There's Tracy and Ange going out there for a swim. They've taken a long time. It's been 3 hours now. Wonder how long it's going to take her to get to the back of the boat. We have to catch the plane tomorrow, Tracy, so hopefully you can swim back by then.
That's my drink.
Oh, sorry.
Fuck off.
Here we are. In where are we at, Ange? Wayne?
Tongue Bay.
Tongue Bay.
Sunday, Whitsundays.
Yeah.
Whitsundays.
And Hamo.
Oh, we landed at the Hamo.
I think the camera needs to one.
Yeah, the camera probably does.
We're still in Hamo.
But actually, the camera not being clean is probably a good thing.
And you know what? It's bloody awesome.
It's bloody awesome. Ange just cooked a beautiful steak. Wayne's cooked a beautiful gravy. And together we've put together a good meal. All I've done is pour the red wine.
I help with the salad. Yeah.
Tracy helped, yeah, she's like the sour chef.
And you help with the wine.
Yeah, all I did was pour red wine.
Yeah. Delicious.
Yeah, beautiful. How beautiful is this place? It's amazing. Me and Tracy have climbed up here onto this bank. I'm not sure we're going to get down, but we probably will. There's Tracy behind me, and I'm catching the plane back home from Hamilton Island, where we enjoyed a great stay.